This video, I'm going to show you how to start a leaf blower, or whatever you want to call this air device, turbine. It's a wind turbine. It's a turbine inside there. So, I'm going to show you how to put it together, and I'm going to show you how to start it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Here is a turbine. There's a turbine inside there. You see that? A turbine exists inside here. So you got different pressures, air pressures. And this is a cordless one. So it's battery operated. So you have a 20-volt battery that you can recharge, and it's an all-around good time. So that's taken apart. Don't worry about the kitty litter. That's covering up an oil spill or something. So you have that part, and you want to match it up. You want to match it up to that right there. So get that. Just push right on there. Then the next thing you want to do is put the battery on, and it slides right in. And then it looks like bird crap. Just push this button in, pull the trigger.